Hello everyone, so if you wanna enable or disable your silent mode on your Xiaomi Redmi A3, so first of all, you ought to grab your phone and you need to locate this essential button. So here are your power buttons. So locate your power buttons, volume buttons. Now press on each of them, or doesn't matter, volume down or volume up, and summon this volume menu. So here it is. Now tap on your sound icon, let's call it like this, and here you'll see three options. So this vibration only and silent mode. Now tap on your silent mode, here it is, and as you see, all of our calls and notifications has been muted. Now if you want to return to your normal mode, you are to press your volume buttons once again and repeat the same steps but with our normal mode. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.